Hello everybody and welcome back for another video, quick video on Finn's Catherine Corner. Still working on that intro there, and I'm joining the wonderful, what do you call it, the train for the pre-orders for the Christmas or whatever, the battle forces. But first things first, ooh, hey, look at that, oh, well, I didn't want it anyway, but it would have been cool to own this thing, but it's out. More to the point, where are the pins? There is supposed to be like this pins for the Horus Heresy Legions, and I really want the Iron Warriors one, but I can't seem to find anything. If you're typing on like pins, here you only get these pins. Nothing. Yeah, so even though it's supposed to be on the Black Liberation, but anyway, this is not what you're here for. You are here for this, the new battle forces that are coming. I'm just gonna quickly go through them. Really, not. This looks really boring. Although I gotta say, I dodged a bullet by getting the Hellblasters box because I was debating between these infiltrators and the Hellblasters, so if I do get this box, at least I don't have two of these. So, you know, I was looking forward for some reinforcements for my Palamedes Forgotten, but this probably isn't it. This doesn't look interesting to me. However, looking at the Xenos, so not Xenos, like the Necron ones, that looks pretty good. Like, there's a lot of interesting variety. I know nothing of these models themselves, but just looking at the box itself, this is really good. Even the Imperial Guard, I find that this is actually a very interesting box. It kind of has a lot of variety going for it, although, yeah, I mean, it might be slightly underwhelming, maybe. Not enough tanks, but at least you're getting some heavy weapons and some vehicles and some infantry. Next we have Chaos, which you know, I'd never been like, despite being a Iron Warriors player, and I used to play Chaos during the 4th edition with the Spiker Bits. I never ever have liked the Mauler, or whatever this Fiend Mauler is. It what is it called? Mauler Fiend or Forge Fiend? I always hated this. It's like a replacement for the Defiler or the Dreadnoughts, from what I understood. Hellbrute, for that matter, never been a fan of that. And then, like, yeah, I mean, the Chaos models are cool and all, but it's kind of meh box. I mean, you got the Terminators, which is sweet. You got the Havocs, which is sweet. You got the HQ, cool. And then you got you got this thing, and then 10 troops. But I mean, yeah, you just slap another box of troops to the side of this. Because I'm being old school, I have no idea how this goes in the current things. But, well, I mean, it's average. But being Games Workshop and whatever, like the Havocs, having everyone a different weapon instead of having multiple similar ones, you should get the classic Iron Warriors box that came with the last cannon and the rocket launchers. So you think you could make your own Havoc squad just by using the bits from that box. So overall, it's alright if you only would switch this to something like this. If this was a Defiler, then maybe maybe I would get this one, but I don't know. It's alright, but doesn't interest me, weirdly enough. Tau, on the other hand, ooh, look at all that. Look at all that nothing white on the white background that you can't see. They have a lot of cool. Well, I mean, this box looks pretty cool. You got the suits. Maybe there seems to be a lot of drones going on. Okay, maybe it's a bit lackluster in terms of vehicle, but hey, you get the whole bunch of suits and the regular dudes, and then the drones and whatever this trash can is over here. So, I mean, this pod racer thing looks kind of funny, but hey, it's at least an interesting box. Like, if I was getting in Tau, I'd probably pick this box. Tyranids, well, aside from getting my ass whooped on the whoa, what is up with that? It's like that unit from StarCraft 2 where you grab and then take over the enemy. Anyway, or is it StarCraft 1? I don't know. I don't even know the name of it. I guess you could just slap some extra cannon fodder into this, and this is a pretty decent army. Yeah, looks very, very interesting. And then this actually is alright looking a Space Marine box for me that I might be interested. Whatever the question is, whether you can get it without these, like if you have the option, if it has the upgrade kit for the Blood Angels separate, so you don't actually get the you get the idea, without the Legion markings. Although, assuming it's not the entire arm, it's just a shoulder pad, I should have plenty in my bits box to remove that. So I need to keep my eye out in case this box has the upgrade kit separate, and I will get it. So yeah. So looking at this at the moment, hopefully, because this looks much more interesting than the first one, and I don't have any intercessors at the moment. I just got Hell Blasters, and well, I got the Assault Intercessors, and you know, I don't mind getting a couple of these scout things, and this is much more appealing to me, although I don't really care much for that tank, but or the librarian, but I can just sell them onwards if I don't like them. But yeah, overall, well, pretty much all of them. The Chaos one and just the regular Marines one kind of look underwhelming to me, but all the other ones are like, pretty sweet deal. Oh well, I don't know the prices, like especially for this one. If this gets like I want to say if it's like €100, that's gonna be it probably is gonna be that. So at that point, I might skip it, or maybe if somebody wants to buy the tank and the librarian, then I could probably make myself to do it. Also, I'm wondering whether these have different options for the flamethrowers, or I presume those are the flamethrowers they have. So I'm gonna have to keep an eye out what sprue this thing actually comes with. So yeah. Anyway, that's my quick look at this, and then I'm just gonna go searching where are the pins? Tell me about the pins. Okay, let's actually do a quick search. Nope. Nothing. God, I really want the Iron Warriors pins. Oh well. Until next time, guys. See ya.